Hello everybody, my name is Soumya and today we are going to do reading on you versus them current feelings plus their next move towards you. Okay, so as usual I have two decks here. So you have to choose your deck 1 and deck 2. So we will start our reading now. So choose your decks very wisely, think and relax, or you can pause your video if you want to choose your decks. Okay, I am repeating, I have here deck 1 and I have here deck 2. So let's start with our reading now, and all the best to everyone. Okay, those who choose this deck 1, let's see what are your current feelings versus them. Okay, everybody, now let's see what is it. What is deck 1 current feeling? What is your current feelings? Deck 1. What is your current feelings for deck 1? What is going on your mind for them? Guys, this is love reading, okay? Again, you versus them, current feelings. What are your current feelings for deck 1 person? What is your current feelings? Deck 1. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. ओके, अभी आप करंटली उनको लेकर सोच तो रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं जिनने भी ये डेक चूज़ किए. आपकी जो current energy है guys, you are thinking a lot about them. Okay, there is Queen of Wands reverse, Queen of Swords reverse, and there are third parties in your life. Okay, and they are females only. Okay, and they are definitely females ruling in your life. Okay, and right now those who are men, you are like a king, but you are thinking a lot about them. You are like scared to go towards them. Okay, now let's see more cards what it is. Page of Pentacles again reverse. Maybe most of you are dealing with financial issues, so you don't want to go to them. Again reverse. Ace of Pentacles. You really don't want to go towards them, and you are working hard also for your pentacles. Maybe there are most of you are dealing with the financial issues. Okay, so it is this right now. You want to be an emperor also or empress for them. So it is mostly like that guys, कि आप उनके पास जाना तो चाह रहे पर आपकी खुद इतनी कमी है, खुद इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स है. देन हाउ विल यू गो, एंड आपने खुद इतनी थर्ड पार्टीज़ भी इन्वॉल्व कर रखी है. जो भी ये वीडियोस देख रहा है, अगर आपने नहीं किए तो आप सोचो कि वो थर्ड पार्टीज़ कब हटेंगी तो मैं तब मूव करूँगा या करूँगी. ओके, एंड अगेन नाइट ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स रिवर्स, which says that you are definitely dealing with a problem, and definitely they are, you also want to go through to them, but you are not going to them. Why? Because you are thinking a lot about them. There are third parties definitely, but third party is your own financial issues. That's why आप खुद नहीं जाना चाह रहे हो उनके पास. आपका मन है उनसे मिलने का, बात करने का, पर आप कितने फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़ हो रखे हैं कि आप खुद कुछ नहीं कर रहे. कुछ के लिए तो मैं यहाँ पे देख रही हूँ कि आप लोगों ने खुद ही थर्ड पार्टीज़ में किसी को इन्वॉल्व कर रखा है. स्पेशली लेडीज़ है यहाँ पर, बिकॉज टू क्वीन के कार्ड्स हैं, एंड दे आर लाइक डोमिनेटिंग यू अलॉट, or they are saying you not to go to them. Okay, now let's see what are your current feelings. So let's see what are your person's current feelings. Why there is so much negativity cards in your cards guys? too much of negative energies are there, guys. What are their current feelings? What are your person's current feelings for deck 1? Angel, universe, spirits, please guide me for deck 1. What are their person's current feelings for them towards them? Three of Swords reverse, Five of Pentacles, the Lovers, Two of Wands for deck 1. And I am choosing another last card, then I'll show you the end of the deck 1. The Hanged Man. Okay, your person's current feelings are definitely there is a third party, as I said you before. ये आपसे भागते हैं, they are running from you because of third parties. Okay, they love you a lot, but why there is so much of third parties? Can you imagine this? They are only not letting them coming towards to you. They want to come towards to you, but they are themselves not coming towards to you. They are running फ्रॉम यू अ लॉट. वो आपसे भागे जा रहे हैं प्लस वो आपका वेट भी कर रहे हैं. कुछ लोगों के लिए तो मैं ये बोलूँगी कि वो आपका वेट कर रहे हैं जिनने भी ये पाइल चूज़ की है. अदरवाइज दे आर योर लवर्स, दे आर योर ट्विन फ्लेम, सोलमेट. ओके, आई कैन सी मोस्टली अ सोलमेट कनेक्शन. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ट्विन ही हो हर जगह. सो इट इज़ मोस्टली लाइक दे आर योर ट्विन सोल एंड ये आपसे भागते आ रहे हैं, आना जाना करते हैं आपकी लाइफ में. एंड ये खुद अभी नहीं आ रहे हैं, इनको नहीं पता इनको चाह क्या रहे हैं. इनको थर्ड पार्टीज़ ने इतना कंफ्यूज किया है. मोस्ट ऑफ योर आई एम फीलिंग लाइक कि थर्ड पार्टीज़ आर डेफिनेटली इन्वॉल्व, वेदर इट्स अ पर्सन और फॉर सम इट इज़ लाइक अ वुमेन. Okay, but they are waiting for you. Most of you are like either you are waiting for them or they are waiting for you. But they are definitely your twin soul connection or soulmate connection, guys. So, okay, now let's see what is there from oracles. Okay, guys, now let's see. But they will definitely come towards to you. They will marry you, guys. अभी ये भाग रहे हैं आपसे जस्ट बिकॉज उनको थर्ड पार्टीज़ ने रोका हुआ है. हो सकता है उनके कुछ फ्रेंड्स हो, कुछ मदर इश्यूज़ हो कुछ की जगह. कुछ लोगों के लिए ये मैरिड भी हो सकते हैं ये पर्सन एंड कुछ का सेपरेशन चल रहा है. सो इट इज़ लाइक दैट. सो नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट आर ऑरेकल सेज फॉर यू डेक 1. What is deck person's feelings for them and will they make a move? What are deck 1 person's feelings for them and will they make a move? Will they make a move? Okay, Blossom Abundance reverse आया है guys. ये as I can say like maybe अभी वो रुक रहे हैं, खुद भी नहीं आना चाह रहे हैं guys. They want come towards to you but they are not coming towards to you. It came reverse. Okay, so I'll take it reverse only. They are mostly in a hangman energy. As I said before, they are so much of confused. They don't know themselves what they want to do. And most of you are in a twin flame journey only. Twin flame is like वो आपकी लाइफ में आए थे कभी बट यू गाइज आर इन सेपरेशन मोड एंड दे आर लाइक मिररिंग यू एंड दे वांट टू कम टूवर्ड्स टू. दे आर मोस्ट ऑफ देम की क्या होता है कि वो अपलिफ्ट भी करते हैं कुछ के तो उनको हर्ट करके जाते हैं. कुछ आना जाना करते हैं बट कुछ के आ जाते हैं एंड दे डेफिनेटली गेट मैरिड टुगेदर एंड दे आर कॉल्ड ट्विन सोल, हाई ट्विन सोल कनेक्शन. सो दिस इज़ लाइक हाई ट्विन सोल बट अभी ये खुद नहीं आना चाह रही, बहुत ज़्यादा सोच में डूबे हुए हैं. 15. ओके, फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ यू आई सी हियर दे आर अप्रिशिएटिंग यू अ लॉट एंड वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करते हैं दूर से. एंड यहाँ पे अप्रिसिएशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है. कुछ लोगों के लिए यहाँ 3 इम्पॉर्टेंट नंबर हो सकता है, 15 इम्पॉर्टेंट नंबर हो सकता है and they see you as, like, for my females, they see you as a woman holding a coin, which is like you are earning a lot mostly over here. What I see in deck 1, okay, whether it's a woman or men with the feminine energy or masculine energy. So you are earning a lot right now. So they are appreciating you, and कुछ लोगों की तो उनको emperor empress के रूप में भी देख रहे हैं अभी, okay, but due to third party they are not coming towards to you. 42 number can be important for you, 50 number can be important for you, and 3 number can be important for you, but they will definitely come back to you. They will marry you. Right now they are appreciating you whatever is going on, and they are realizing what they did to you. This is for people who are in separation or singles. Okay guys, mostly this reading is. एंड अगर आप साथ में हैं तो मैं यही बोलूँगी कि अभी आप लोगों के बीच में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है, अनबन हो सकती है. यू गाइज आर fighting a lot and you are having problems just because of third party. Some are having problems because of money issues. तो फिर प्रॉब्लम होएगी आपकी उसमें. So let's see what is there from your romance cards, romance angels oracles cards. What are the current feelings and what is the future of this relationship? Playfulness, as I told you, they are appreciating you a lot and they are seeing you from far. They want to come back to you, but when they will come, they will definitely come back to you guys. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit to fun to shine. So it is like that. You both are in love with each other. Especially they are in love with you. What you are. What they didn't realize before, they are realizing now. Okay. And कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है false mask पहन के घूम रहे because of third parties. They are showing you something else, and from others they are something else. But they are definitely love you guys. Most of you are like, if this is a your past partner, and mostly I think this is your past partner, and you guys are going on separation mode. So आपको अपने ex को release करना पड़ेगा. You have to release your ex. You have to forgive them. Okay, you have to clear what you want. Okay guys, and this is like a twin connection, so you have to release them. You have to forgive them. Okay, or either they have to release you, because if you both love each other and you all have feelings for deck 1, mostly those who choose this deck, so it is like that ki you have to release them, forgive them, and they will definitely come back to you, move towards to you. Okay guys, take what resonates with you, and this is a general reading guys, so take what resonates with you guys. Okay, now we'll go for deck 2. Who's choose this? Deck 2. Okay, let's see what are your current feelings right now versus them. What are your current feelings for deck 2 person? What are your current feelings? What are your current feelings? What are your current feelings? Angel Spirit, please guide me. The Chariot, reverse. You are not balanced right now, guys. Okay, what are deck 2 feelings? Hierophant again, reverse. Knight of Cups, the Devil, reverse. Queen of Pentacle, reverse. Okay, all cards are coming reverse only. I think I have folded opposite, so maybe that's why it's coming reverse. I'll take it straight. Okay guys, otherwise you will guys will complain to me, ma'am, it was opposite, etc., or whatsoever. Please don't take that guys so seriously. These are just a small mistakes. So Okay, but you are in definitely a chariot came to me reverse, so I will take it reverse only. You guys are not in balance energy. ओके जितने भी ये देखिए आप लोग बैलेंस नहीं हो, आप लोग यिंग यांग की एनर्जी में चल रहे हो। आपको बैलेंस बनाना पड़ेगा उस पर्सन के लिए। आपका जो ये आप जो हैं उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा एडिक्टेड हो। यू गाइज आर डेफिनेटली एडिक्टेड टू देम, सम ऑफ यू आर वेरी एडिक्टेड टू देम, यू वांट देम डेफिनेटली। ओके अगर ये आपके साथ रह रहे तो भी आप एडिक्टेड है। एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए मैं बोलूँगी इफ़ यू आर इन सेपरेशन you want them back, you feel the addiction still towards them and you are addicted to them, and definitely it is like you are watching them like king and queen right now, that they are definitely earning with you and you are like you want some home with them. Okay, you are very spiritual person, plus you have like that इंट्यूशन वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मोस्ट ऑफ यू। आपको लगता है कि आएंगे आपके पास डेफिनेटली, पर ये आएंगे आपके पास, या तो हो सकता है आप जाएंगे इनके पास। सी आप जा सकते हैं इनके पास, पर ये स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्शन आपको बैलेंस थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, बस बैलेंस है नहीं इसमें आपके रिलेशनशिप में। आप एडिक्टेड हैं इनसे, आप इनको इस वक्त अर्निंग के रूप में देख रहे हैं जिनने भी ये डेक चूज़ किए। एंड आप लोग हो सकते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो किस बात को चुने। अगर आपके पास कोई न्यू पर्सन भी आ रहा होगा तो भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो। अगर आपकी लड़ाई भी हो रही होगी इस कनेक्शन में, और मे बी इट कुड बी बिकॉज ऑफ मदर और डेफिनेटली अ फ्रेंड्स। आई डोंट सी एनी फाइनेंशियल इशूज़ इन दिस डेक। ओके सो you are juggling, you don't know what to do regarding them, either to choose third parties or either to choose that person. But what I feel, you will go towards to them and you will definitely call them, contact them, message them. Okay, but you will go them with a big offer of marriage, engagement. This is your current feelings right now. Now let's see what are their current feelings. Then we will check our oracles. What are oracle sayings for you? Okay guys. So let's see what are your person's current feelings for deck 2. What are your person's current feelings for deck 2? Angel spirit please guide me. 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 What are your person's current feelings? What are your person's current feelings for you? Deck 2. Hangman, 6 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, 5 of Rods, 5 of Pentacles reverse. There is money issue with them, with your person. Okay, and 8 of Swords. Okay, what I see here for deck 2, your person is very confused towards to you. I'll say in a straight words, guys. So your person is very confused towards to you. They want to come to you, but right now they are dreaming about you, and they are building so many big castles. They want to come towards you. They are not coming to you because they have some financial issues. Most of the persons are here are dealing with financial issues. एंड हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए यहाँ पे लोग उनको रोक रहे हैं आपके पास आने के लिए। वो आपके पास आना चाह रहे हैं, बट बहुत लोग उनसे फ़ाइट भी कर रहे हैं। कुछ लोगों के लिए ये हो सकता है अपना करियर बना कर आए आपके पास, और कुछ लोग अभी जो मैरिड है उनके हो सकता है फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़ है, एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए उनके मदरली इश्यूज़ और पेरेंट्स इश्यूज़ आर मोस्टली देयर. Okay, right now they are in Hangman and 10 of Rods reverse, which says they want to come towards to you, but they are not coming towards to you. कुछ लोगों के लिए ये आपसे अभी बात करना चाह रहे हैं, एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए तो अभी बात ही नहीं कर सकते. Okay, they want to contact you definitely. They are watching you from far, but there is no contact situation right now. You guys in a big separation. For pile one also, I saw some people are in separation, and I felt that some people are in definitely in a separation mode. So mostly over here, your person is dreaming about you right now. They want to earn and give big house to you, or they want to marry you soon as possible. Okay, most of them, their families issues are here. Their mostly parents are not letting them come towards you, or brother or sister, whatever. So, and right now they are blindfolded. They know that you are right for them, but people are stopping them to come towards you. कुछ लोगों के लिए तो financial issues है. There are a big financial issues. Okay, for deck 2. So this was deck 2 person's current feelings. Now we will see from Oracle what are their next move towards you, and what are your future with them from my Oracle's cards. What are your person's current feelings towards you? Will they make a move? Will they make a move? Attachment. I feel like, guys, they are attached to you definitely, and they want to come towards to you. And most of the people are envy from your relationship, which is jealousy. ओके, कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है यहाँ पे जेलस हो रहे हो उनके पर्सन, एंड उनके पर्सन आना भी चाह रहे हैं आपके पास. इनको अटैचमेंट है. हो सकता है आपको 5 नंबर बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा हो, 20 नंबर बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा हो. सो इट इज़ लाइक दैट. योर person is definitely attached to you. They definitely want to come towards to you. I am sorry, guys, my phone felt down. So it is like that. And most of them persons are definitely mirroring them and manifest कर रहे हैं आपको कुछ लोगों के लिए, एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए तो ये प्रेज कर रहे हैं आपसे पास आना चाह रहे हैं. एज आई सेड, दे वांट्स टू कम टूवर्ड्स टू यू, बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर लाइक थर्ड पार्टीज भी रोक रही है कुछ के लिए, और कुछ के लिए फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज. ये मेरे फर्स्ट डेक में भी आया हुआ है. सो इट इज़ लाइक दैट, गाइज. ओके, सो टेक वॉट रेजोनेट. 20 number can be important for you, 5 number can be important for you. You can see 555 a lot, 55 a lot, एंड 20 का हो सकता है कुछ का बर्थडे आता हो, 5 में किसी का बर्थडे आते हैं, या आपके पार्टनर के बर्थडे आता हो. And 53 again is important to you, and you are not balanced right now, so you have to make that balance right now. You both are not in a balanced energy. You both are only confused. That's why these things are happening. See, guys, 53 is important for you. Okay, guys. Now let's see what by another oracle says. What are the next move and current feelings? What are your person's current feelings for deck 2, and will they make a move? Angel Spirit, please guide me. 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 Okay, again playfulness is there. They want to come towards you, but they are working hard, as I can feel that. And they will definitely come with a playfulness energy, which is they want you very badly. They want to do full of romance with you, give you full of love and pampering. They want to hug you, guys. If you are together, they definitely think about you. Okay, most of you, I feel there are lots of children who are affecting your relationship. Okay, हो सकता है कुछ के पर्सन यहाँ पे मैरिड हो, एंड उनके भी बच्चे हो, इसलिए डिवोर्स हो नहीं रहा है कुछ का. एंड कुछ का मैं बोलूँगी कि आपकी हो सकता है पास्ट में बहुत चिल्ड्रन से रिलेटेड बातें हुई हो, लाइक यू वांट चिल्ड्रन, योर फ्यूचर चिल्ड्रन, हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन यू वुड बी हैविंग. Okay, guys, and last deck I have, this could be the one. Okay, I feel this is your soulmate connection. So this could be the one person. Okay, you've already met this person before. I feel like you have met this person before in your office. Most of you know since childhood, and हो सकता है कुछ के बातचीत अभी चल रही हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि पास ही हो, एंड this could be even a new person, okay, but it is kind of your soul connection and angels are blessing you. Okay guys, I would say this from my energy, and this is a very good energies for deck 2 what I felt. Okay, more than deck 1, it is like this is so good energy. So let me know on comment section box which card resonated with you, which deck resonated with you, and if you felt accurate, please guys let me know on a comment section box. Don't forget to like, comment and share with your friend, and do press bell button icon guys. Okay guys, so see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye guys.